in-inspection nyo na substandard, may legal action ba kayong gagawin?
Ang DPWH ang dapat maningil sa mga kontraktor dahil pag may pinagawa ka na 15 meters at ang i-deliver ay 4 meters, dapat pong ibuo yung 15 meters. At kung ang isang engineer ay magsasign ng acceptance of work na 15 meters, ang actually 4 meters, yung liability also is on the engineer.
Sir, dadalo kayo sa TRICOM?
Ng inyong investigasyon, pwede nyo rin bang maipatawag as a resource person yung pinalitan po ninyong congressman, sir?
Nasa chair ng mga committee ng Kongreso po ang pagtawag ng mga resource persons.
Sir, magsisimula na yung TRICOM na sa on-infrastructure. Are you willing to reveal yung experience ninyo dito sa district ninyo to help the investigation?
Of course, but I would say that this should not really come as a surprise that there is SOP in DPWH projects. I'm just stating it publicly now, but I think all of the reporters who are with us here have also heard the incidents of this elsewhere. And I hope that with the pronouncements of President BBM, there will be a marked decrease in corruption in DPWH projects. Pero ang personal kong pananaw ay dapat hindi lang puro investigasyon ang ating ginagawa. Ngayon, meron ng arrest. Pero kahit na, hindi naman yan magsusolusyon sa kasulukuyang 880 billion pesos proposed budget ng DPWH sa 2026. Dapat hindi lang tayo talk, dapat tayo mag-walk the talk. At kung napatunayan na widespread ang korupsyon sa DPWH, ang tanong bakit naman natin bibigyan ng 880 billion pesos pa ang ahensya at ang management na nag-oversee sa korupsyon na ito.
Engineer, inalok niyo bang maging state witness? Congressman, inalok niyo ba si Engineer na maging state witness, Engineer Calalo?
Yes, as I stated in my statement just now, and as I can also confirm now, I proposed to Engineer Calalo when we crossed paths in the office of the provincial prosecutor earlier that he turn state witness and help us uncover corruption in the DPWH system.